Good morning, guys. So it's a quick update on BTC. So yesterday, I made a video which can be found on my YouTube channel, and that was this video here, which was published yesterday, explaining that I'm going to be taking a short position, and so can you. This does call out for a correction, and I did talk about these ugly lows that we have underneath. I actually have closed my long position currently, and I will be looking for a lot lower, and I have taken a hedge short position, and so can you, and it's very easy to take this trade itself because you can scale into it. You can actually go short right now, and you want to use a 0.5 stop loss, and you're going to be targeting at least the monthly VWAP. So as we saw that we did get a aggressive move down, and we did lose the monthly VWAP as well, which I suspected we would. But what we did do is we actually front ran this daily level, which is sitting at 111,500-ish area. So we can see we actually front run that, and this is still a major concern for me because we have two daily levels here, which are my targets for us to take out this week, where I'm going to be looking for a long position. So we could see a bit of a retracement back up. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour actually. So we could get a retracement back up to at least fill some of this efficiency. 1 second, let me just have a quick look at order flow. We do have some stacked imbalances, 114 and 114,500, and we got the VWAP, which is 113. So I do expect a retracement back up into the VWAP, and possibly a move back up to the value area high, which is about 114,400. This wick that we have here is the same wick we can see on TradingView. Is probably going to get filled. We've seen this multiple times before, so I'm expecting a bit of a retracement back up. Probably a rejection at the 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame for a continuation lower. Now, a couple of levels I need to point out is if we do lose 110,000, and we could wick lower and come back up, but if we do lose 110,000 on the 4 hour time frame, should we come back in here, then we are probably coming a lot lower into these zones here. And I already pointed out, if we lose 107, between 107 and 107 400, it's not going to be looking good. So I am going to be targeting actually what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be scaling into a long position now, just as a scalp position, targeting at least the value area high, and this could be a very tight stop loss on here. It's just a scalp position, guys. It's nothing, not a trade that I'll target all-time highs. So yeah, taking that position for now. I'm still in the short position. I've taken 75% profit. I'm just going to scalp this long, but I am looking for a bigger trade, more of a swing position trade at these levels here, and I'll be targeting at least 117,000. That's a really good trade, to be honest, because your invalidation is only a 0.58 stop loss. So if you do take a trade from here, you only got a 0.58 stop loss, and your target is the highs. So that's quite a good trade there. So that's the only two trades I'm looking for on BTC. And in relation to Ethereum, I did give an Ethereum update yesterday. I told you guys it's cooked. It's distribution galore. you know, and I won't be looking for any Ethereum trades unless we do have some buy pressure coming in, which we do not see currently. So that's the only update I have for you for BTC. Please follow me on X, follow me on YouTube. We do share daily setups, and if you want to get daily setups, 2-3 setups a day, and profit with me, you can join my Telegram group. I have the link in the description below of this video. In order for you to join the Telegram group, you need to deposit at least $1,000 into your BYD FI account. Links in the description below, where you'll get a deposit bonus as well, and you can trade with me. This helps us make content for the channel, and actually BYD are supporting the free Telegram group that you guys are getting. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna probably enter a long position, like I said here. I want to see really another candle close, because I don't like the way the 30-minute is, so I'm not going to rush into this. I'll see if we can get any buy pressure coming in on the order flow, which I don't see at the moment, and our session delta and our session delta volume percentage is quite low for me to enter a long position currently. So just having one more look at the lower time frames. I know I just said I would take a long position here. Like I said, I want to see a bit more buy pressure and some positive delta. I think before we take that long position, we may come back down to fill this wick before we continue up. But from a swing play perspective, or more of a weekly trade, I am looking at these two levels. It's the only two levels that I'm interested in. Like I said, if we do lose this 110, I think we're going to come back for those 107 lows, and then that will not really be a swing position for me. It'll be a scalp, because if we do come back down to 107, excuse the noise, if we do come back down to 107, which is in this zone here, it's going to be a scalp, and probably get rejected at 110 for a continuation lower. I'm not calling out for any bear markets or anything. This is just a correction, and it's pretty normal. And if you do follow me on social media, you always get the updates. If you go back to the last 10-15 videos, I'm always correct. It's because I do things very differently in comparison to other YouTuber traders and influencers. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. Have a great day.